Yes, my peeps. Honodo. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, man. And today we're here and we're gonna talk about the taxi thing. Taxi, man. The whole country under hostage, brother. Yeah, remember, man. People have to live, People have to go to work, You don't know what not deal with, When the whole country under hostage. Yeah, man. And I deserve something will happen for that. Yeah, man. No can just do it so else. You not gonna stop it soon get out of hand. You no do it a deliberately way so people are get left a road. One two people them we have to move, we have to work. We have to work under fear orders. You're a taxi man, brother. No drive so dirty a road. Yeah, man. You see it? You know no discipline. You know the thing need to regulate. We still not talk about the pints thing. Because this thing is just all about the pints thing and about the ticket. All about the pints. Yeah, man. So you are there. But enough pay on a ticket and drive properly. You understand? Some man a drive so dirty. All when the car I run like wheelbarrow. And I still I seal. And I just want to see one small little gap on the head around. It's like a cayman has spark from one place to the other. Is what I say? You can't just go on someone. You have to live, you have to deal with the thing better. There is better way to deal with it than I want to deal with it. You can't hold up a country at hostage. Yeah, man. When I like that, not enough people not like that, I'm sure of that. When I depend on the slackness with brother. Taxi man. You have to pay on a ticket and deal with the thing like a proper business. We don't know how you just want to get ticket. I don't know how to pay. I don't know how to get ticket. I don't know how to lose no points. Right now, I tell you the truth. If I'm me, I regulate this whole taxi thing. Yeah, man. Regulate this whole taxi thing. And change it up and put it under a decent umbrella. Yeah, man. And make people know, say, that either. Yeah, a business is not serious or something. No. And you see how I deal with it? Not deal with it like some back road thing. Kick we out. So you don't feel like. Leave it. Yeah, man. Suppose we say, alright, we not take on them. And strike. So people, yeah, say that we say this. Yeah, man. They need to sort out. They need to sort out nothing. Yes, taxi man. No need to sort out anything. And deal with the thing like a decent business. Yeah, man. You can't just deal with the thing, so. A taxi business, man. A business and start out nothing properly. Get nothing sort out, drive properly and everything. Yeah, man. If you not run fast, right, point A to point B, and run slow from point A to point B, I see an amount of people I go come out, come take taxi. Is what I say? So not always have to carry the same amount of people from point A to point B and then reach home decent and safe. Yeah, man. You see, this again too. It's for the last time. When I do this, you should never get a chance to do it again, Yeah, man. The government them should have come out and said something decent. That should not come out, can't do it again. Yeah, man. I want to feel a taxi, I want to get it run, red plate, run pan them road, just cannot back out a thing like that. No have to stay there and carry people them from point A to point B. I'm tell you the truth, I want to talk on the topic Me I scroll TikTok and we see one of my brother and my brethren load that one call it. Talk on a thing. Me I go make on see it. So I can watch it if you know I hear more what I have to say. I can check out him channel on TikTok. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
I touch a topic here, I'm in a business who want vex, you know. All them man that run taxi, them alone. We have watching, brother, I get up now, man, yeah, call me virgin and say, oh, them man never reach a work early. Man say, no, a cheese, me they can't get no real taxi, where taxi them strike. I say, blood, I know, so listen them there here, say, they hear something there. What they strike for though? I'm here for next side. Call me, baby, call me after. Gia, where there? Where man say, where you come from? Blessing guy, my daughter got to school already and where come and never call she come boy at the car. But send her to school already. She can't get no taxi neither. I told she there. One man there half a cheap, man wait for it in Belgium have come here and one next one there see? I can't drive freely because I work now still. Yeah, because I me on the road. I go park up one side because if you come off. When you come off at the road, I see car runs, the taxi there runs said way, the man in the only for license and them sit there. And who don't put on a license too greedy. Drive bad, all kind of thing no bad on the road. And who know the type of man who want 2-3 bills for half a tree and all them places. But I don't find no man who fetch me from a vex better. You see me? I'm a drive better. I'm not get only for tickets better. If you can't give and take better. If you don't drive good and you get money, you make money when you can pay for the ticket them 5 times, half 5 times and the amnesty come out. All them things there, brother. I don't know no complain from about no strike. I make people that can't go work on time, people can't go to school on time. Just for phone own cars. For that kind of idea, who when I put on a ticket, that only cars all that happen to me. I'm on a greed in the park, can't share to license, all different things I do. Just because I greed, hungry. On the road, everyone can eat and make money. But that one they want to drive, so that one they want to drive the fastest. Or that one they want, oh, me a road shotter, me a shooter. Me a this and that. If I sport this all too long, so you know too. Go up on them top of them and talk about music. You see me? Yeah, but yeah, brother. Me a come in here, me soon jump out of the taxi, man. You see me? Well, until my time come, me have to compare. But right now, brother, I'm on the wrong. I'm on the wrong, brother. See that? Taxi are on the road, brother. On the road, say we are animal run half a tree. That vehicle, see that? She transport them, see police on the road for the road. If you take on half a road, man. Some man don't make no sense on the road. I'm not telling no lie, brother. Some man don't taxi, man don't make no sense on the road, brother. Be a trouble no get. Be a trouble no get. And no troublemaker right now, we line up out there one one strike.
Look at this morning, Monday morning. People want to reach at their work. And them have to pull out every trick out of them out of the box. Just to reach. You see me, and we have a taxi system all over Jamaica. Yeah. Brother, you just run a taxi. Or we are spending money. And the system control you. So brother, be careful on no one bite the hand with feet you. This is what I deal with. So nobody feel like say government can't come in with them system. Yeah, we tired of this. And run on no other system. Because if you don't want to be a part of the system, you don't have to come under for them umbrella. And no man with them faulty thing. Now go work. So I tell you now, so that we say this. Get to nothing straight up and get to nothing line up. You know look good. No make Jamaica look bad. Them ghetto thing you don't love it, brother. No man. Can't that. But say still big up the man them way. Go out there and decide say them are gonna do it. No matter what. I'm not gonna fight the fight and do it because I have to eat tomorrow morning and I have to pay a bill. Someone don't want a tire. Someone don't want a gas. Someone don't want me to go to school. That's what I say. No bills have to pay. So big up to you know where she about. Yeah man. No watch them. Some of them want it. But them still I go out there, go stuck you out, and still want it. Mostly slave style. No try that, brother. And wise up and do your thing the right way. Big up on yourself. Big up to all that people them. But you know say no come out and no reach and no work. No come back and big up to who no reach. One love, you know, overall. Yardman TV. Big up on yourself, people. Taxi man. But I pre me, you know. Yeah, big up on yourself too.